We here at Cranbourne Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Bunurong people, and pay our respect to their elders past, present and emerging.
We would also like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here today.
We will now sing the Australian National Anthem. In doing so, we will demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect. When we sing with pride and stand up straight.
We welcome you to sign along with Auslan as well.
When we finish, we sit down quietly and listen for what is coming up next.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Well, good afternoon everyone and welcome to this week's Cranbourne Primary School weekly online assembly. Well, my message this week is to say how proud I am of every single one of our students at the school. I'm very proud for the resilience that you show. I'm very proud for the energy and enthusiasm that you put into your learning. And I'm also very proud of the great choices our students are making during the recess and lunch times when you're out for play. I must say it's also fantastic at the school when many students drop into my office during the day and just share with me the wonderful things that are happening and how they're enjoying their day at school. And finally, I just want to remind everybody about the importance of wearing hats, not only on the way to school and on the way home from school, but also during the recess and lunch breaks as well. And also if you have any classes outside. Remember to read every single night of the week, even on weekends. All right, thank you everyone, and I look forward to seeing you around the school. Take care now. Bye.
Celebrated in 170 countries, Safer Internet Day is designed to bring the world together to make the internet a safer, more positive place. The eSafety Commissioner, or eSafety, is the official coordinator of the Global Safer Internet Day effort in Australia.
eSafety's campaign theme for 2022 is Play It Fair Online. eSafety provides resources and support to all Australians to help them stay safe online.
As a school community, we are supporting Safer Internet Day 2022 and showing the world that online abuse has no place in our society. Our school is committed to raising online safety awareness in our community and helping young people build positive online relationships.
Our school implements policies and processes to protect our staff and students, and we encourage them to report online abuse. By using eSafety's resources, our school has been helping our students have safer, more positive experiences online.
So how can we at Cranbourne Primary School play it fair online? Be respectful. Consider others when you are online. There is no place for abuse, hate, or discrimination in any aspect of life.
Be kind. Be a positive role model. Treat people with kindness, respect, and understanding online.
Be resilient. Don't let bad experience online get you down. Stay strong and get the right support so you can bounce back as soon as you're ready.
Be prepared to ask for help. Everyone needs support. Reach out to friends, family, and eSafety if something goes wrong. Be safe. To stay happy and healthy, avoid situations that pose risks to yourself or others online. Be responsible. Respect others online. Think how your actions might affect other people.
Be an upstander. They can help others when they experience abuse online by showing support and speaking up if it's safe to do so.
Play it fair online.
Hi, I'm Jimmy Rees, and today we're reading Swoosh, Glide, and Rule Number 5 from the eSafety Commissioner. They will be here soon, said the sugar glider mum, as the twins, Swoosh and Glide, waited in their old river gum. Cooey! Sleepover time, yelled their uncle in a flash, as he landed with their cousins, River, Reed, and Ash. After they had all hugged and said a warm hello, they played statues and chasey and other games you may know. They whispered and giggled as they played hide and seek, while Swoosh counted numbers and tried not to peek. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? Was the next game to play. Cousin Ash called, dinner time, and they all ran away. The big wolf made Swoosh feel a bit funny inside. This feeling made Swoosh want to run away and hide. It was time for a rest when a sight met their eyes. Grandma and Grandpa were calling out, surprise! They'd called on their new tablet straight to the hollow. Glide asked them if they had special rules to follow. The grandparents asked, what rules do you mean? 1. Be kind, take turns. 2. At dinner time, no screen. 3. Use it only in shared spaces, Glide proudly said. 4. Ask before you use it. And 5. No taking screens to bed. Mum finished stirring and called, dinner will be soon. Say goodbye, time to go. We'll chat tomorrow afternoon. Put the tablet away. I need some help, please. We need cups and saucers for our sweet leaf teas. While the others played possum games and Mum stirred the soup, Swoosh took the tablet and hid from the group. A silly video made Swoosh laugh so hard. It was lots of fun. Swoosh clicked on another, and another, and then another one. But the last one was not nice or fun anymore. Swoosh dropped the tablet and curled up on the floor. Glide ran to help. What can we do? They said to each other. Put it away. Turn it off. They decided to ask their mother. Swoosh soon told her something not nice was on the screen. It made me feel funny in my tummy, like when Mr. Wolf screamed. Mum held their little hands and told them as she knelt that they did the right thing to come to her for help. Uncle declared, if something's not right while you're on a device, go quickly to your grown-up and ask for advice. He pressed on a button and a happy tune came on. Here's something that I wrote called My Family Rules Song. Then Uncle saw the time and waved a fond goodbye. Got to go. Sun's up soon, so I really must fly. He jumped off that old river gum's branch with an almighty leap, looping to his homely hollow for a good day's sleep. The children sat down, the table was cleared. A last game of snap. All sugar gliders cheered. The sun's coming up, said Mum with a yawn. It's time for bed. It's getting close to dawn. In bed, Mum gave everyone a warm kiss goodnight and said, night, night, sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. And in a wink of an eye, the 3 cousins and twins were sound asleep and dreaming of their favourite things. With the little ones asleep before early morning's glow, Mum set off to bed on her tippy tiptoes. But guess what happened as she watched Bush News Live? Swoosh shuffled in and called, Mum, rule number 5. And that's the end of the story. What did you think? Do you have family rules at home? Remember to always ask for help when you're online, just like Swoosh and Glide. Well, that was fun. I'm Jimmy Rees. Goodbye.